If Clipchamp is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as soon as possible. These are simple troubleshooting steps that solve the most common Clipchamp issues, whether the app is not loading, freezing, crashing, or just behaving strangely in the browser. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page. Sometimes Clipchamp simply needs a quick reload to clear a temporary loading issue. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. In many cases, the problem is caused by a temporary server issue on Clipchamp's side, and giving it a little time can fix it without you changing anything. Next, sign out of your account and then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix authentication problems that may be stopping Clipchamp from working properly. If you're still having trouble, turn off your VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes interfere with Clipchamp connections, especially if the service is blocking or slowing down traffic from certain networks. After that, try switching your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, test a mobile hotspot. Or if you're on one network, try another one if possible. This helps you figure out whether the issue is caused by your internet connection. Another very important step is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. To do that, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any extensions that might interfere with Clipchamp. Some privacy tools, script blockers, or ad blockers can break site functionality, so testing Clipchamp with extensions disabled is a smart move. If it still isn't working, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart the browser. This removes stored files that may be causing loading or sign-in issues. Finally, make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. Clipchamp works best in those browsers, and switching from an unsupported or outdated browser can instantly solve the problem. So to recap, refresh the page, wait for any temporary server issue to pass, sign out and sign back in, disable your VPN or proxy, switch networks, turn off browser extensions, clear your cache and cookies, and use Chrome or Edge. One of these fixes usually gets Clipchamp working again. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which step solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.